But this, yes, it's such.
With literally basically working them out
just built some cheap cables for it. Built the S-Drive Max. Probably $15 with cars on AliExpress.
You can emulate multiple Apple hard disk under Prodos.
They jumped into the PC game like everybody else. Yeah, so that actually runs off the voice processor. So Acorn's running from the computer.
BAA, that's like a Rome. That's like a Rome Technologies driver IC. That's, I have to look that up.
Their chip.
Let them do something across using like
$20 feet of cable for $10 or something. Cut it short. Yeah, it works. Here, I'll leave it here. Just pick the one you want. And a built-in video controller. And a built-in headphone jack. So kids can listen to it and work with it. Can listen to it.
yeah, that's
Yeah. That's when the Coco came out. Now, could you still wire sound with this cassette?
Yes. Yeah, this has got audio from 7, but I don't know if it's able but it's always like